My name is Magnus Bergman and I'm the Chief Technical Officer at SCA Skog in Sundsvall. SCA is a forest company with forest industry and located in the northern part of Sweden. We have 2.6 million hectares of forest land. It's the same size as the land of Belgium. And we also have forest industry with sawmill, pulp mill, containerboard mills, and also renewable energy. And we are the part of Living Lab North, and we try to be in the forefront. SCA is a forerunner in using new technology and especially in digitalization. We want to see how we can improve our forestry on the SingleTree level with combining new technology, information from laser scanning and also high-tech machine equipment. The Living Lab is located in the northern part of Sweden. We have our headquarters in Sundsvall, so much of our experiment is done close to Sundsvall, but we have the whole 2.6 million hectares of forest land to actually that are the Living Lab together with our industry. It's actually the whole infrastructure that we have. We have our forest, we have our forest land with different stand level with high conservation value forest together with production forest. We use that to increase our knowledge, but also to how we can utilize our forestry in a more smarter way, so we can be more sustainable and use it for to give better products to our customers, our sawmills, pulp mills, and eventually to our end users out in the society. From the SingleTree project, there's a lot of partners involved. I think almost all the partners are involved. Nibio, SLU, the Finnish university, but also from Kello, for example, will fly with their Zeppelliner, but also we have some discussions with, I think, all the scientists from all countries, actually. For us, our main goal is to improve our availability of conducting SingleTree, to find out how we can utilize the SingleTree information in our value chain, how we can use it in a smarter way when we are going to log the areas, how we can make the cut to length more precise, and we can be more precise to our sawmills and have a better knowledge about what we are going to deliver to our sawmills, but also in our planning process. There's a lot of innovation that will be demonstrated in this Living Lab, both on how we can scan the forest in new ways, how we can utilize it on the machinery in a smarter way, and how we can connect it to our sawmill. Yes, there are local stakeholders also involved in the Living Lab. We have our sawmills, for example. We have a good cooperation with the sawmills, so we try to improve the knowledge of the standing volume so we can be more precise and utilize the wood in a smarter way for our end customers that are out in the whole Europe and actually in the whole world. We are delivering sawn goods to the whole world, actually.